All right, traders, a very warm welcome. I'm Devang Mehra from the Financial Analyst. And what the hell happened today? I have no idea what the hell happened today. Let's talk about everything. I'll tell you what goes on in my mind when I'm trading. Today, after a very, very long streak, I finally blown off my streak. I had a good 7, 8 day profit streak. My week was flawless, but today really disappointed me. I was stoked by how the markets moved. And that is why, I always say markets are supreme, never be overconfident, because there will be one day the markets will thrash you like anything. And I have made a loss today, 2.5 lakh loss. I was disappointed, not because of the loss. I was disappointed by the way markets reacted today. Totally unnatural and just not expected. So in this module, I'm going to talk about what can we expect forward for the markets. What are the trade ideas for tomorrow, Friday, March 19th? Is the crash going to continue? I'll be talking about all of these points. Watch it till the end if you desire. But I want to talk about something that we discussed in yesterday's video, and our plan worked out quite well. If you watched yesterday's video, you know what I mean. So yesterday, all the markets were in red. The global markets in America was in red. The SGX Nifty yesterday was in red. And I told you something. I said that, guys, whenever the Fed meeting happens, the FOMC happens, markets always gaps up, right? And at that point of time, people were skeptical. But our community, our mentorship clients, Bold family, we all took calls home. You all remember that, and we made some good profit in calls. If you want to see our screenshots, go to my Telegram and you'll see the morning profit that I posted. I booked a good 25,000 in calls. Why? Because of observation. Fed meeting happens, RBI meeting happens, we do gap up 90% of the times. And we based us on that data. We made some good profits. If you clocked in profits by going long due to my last minute chameleon change of plan, hit that like button. Let me know how many people made profit on the calls on the gap up. All right, please do that. Secondly, let me open the charts of Nifty. Secondly, I'll open the 15-minute charts. And what happened after that, we booked a good gap up profit and markets started to come off highs. And at this point of time, I said on Telegram also, even on our Discord community, I said that, guys, please don't short right now. We will try to find a dip and go long on banks. This was my message. I said that, yes, obviously, because yesterday we had a very big fall in the market. Even today we will have a fall, but because of this gap up, market should stop somewhere over here. That was my plan, and market should rebound from this price. This was the plan that I was looking for. And if you watch my videos, we've done this over and over again. We made a huge money because of this system that I've taught you. And what happened was, somewhere at this point of time, when the opening price was being broken, you all saw my screenshots. If you're in the Bold community or in my mentorship architect community, we made some good profit on Sun Pharma and Cipla. I personally traded Cipla. Some people traded Sun Pharma. We made some good profit because pharma was really weak. I'm going to show you how. You can go back to Telegram and see my screenshot. We went short on Cipla, and I think around 10 o'clock, I was up about 1 lakh rupees. Why did I go short on Cipla? Let me show you that for a bit. Why did I not choose Sun Pharma? So let me open the Nifty Pharma Index for that, because that will really help you to understand what goes in my mind when I trade. Look at the daily chart first of Nifty Pharma. So yesterday, Nifty Pharma broke this crucial support. So Nifty Pharma was weak. After that, I opened the 15-minute charts of Nifty Pharma, and let me see where Nifty Pharma opened. Yeah. So Nifty Pharma opened somewhere over here, and I was waiting when this price, yesterday's low, was about to be broken. When this price was broken around 9:45, I opened all the pharma stocks. So if I show you 9:45 Sun Pharma, that was still yet to break yesterday's closing price. So you can see over here. So at 9:45, Sun Pharma was somewhere over here. So it had yet to break this closing price. So that was why I didn't go short on Sun Pharma. If I show you the chart of Cipla, why I made some really serious good money on Cipla was because at 9:45, Cipla was the reason. It's one of the top constituents, the second constituent of Nifty Pharma. At 9:45, Cipla broke the day's low. We went short on Cipla, and I think within about 30 minutes, 35 minutes, we made some huge money on Cipla. You all can see that screenshot. So if you took this trade, hit that like button, because I want to see how many people took this trade, how many people were profitable till 12 p.m. today morning. So we were all comfortable. Then I switched over to Nifty Bank. I sent an update in all my groups. I said that, guys, today, yes, market will fall due to expiry. Also, we were so choppy today. The volatility index, if I show you the VIX today, let me just show you the India VIX. Yeah, so the India VIX, this is astonishing. The India VIX is still down 0.38%. After markets crashing, there has been no change in the VIX. So not really a lot of money was being made on options today. Yes, today was the weekly expiry, and that is why the markets were really pissing us off at this point of time. It wasn't really moving. And what we did was, in our group, we all started buying ICICI calls and Axis calls at this point of time when the support was given here of Bank Nifty. I did give you a stop loss in ICICI trade, and when we did buy this. You all remember when this jump happened in Bank Nifty from 400 to 600. I really thought that this is our moment, because it was looking like that. We got a really good support back at this price. We got a good bullish engulfing kind of candle at a support. We jumped. If I show you the ICICI chart, we made some serious money there. ICICI Bank. Let me just show you that 15-minute chart around 12 o'clock, 11:45. So ICICI from 592 went all the way till 597. That's a good 4.45 rupee movement that happened in ICICI Bank. I also told you, please keep a stop loss somewhere at 591 or 592. I don't know what the level was. And yes, that was a stop loss to be maintained. So what happened after that? I really don't know. And I was stoked. I also took a trade on Axis Bank, and I sent that screenshot also on our Telegram. I intimated a lot of people that I'll be taking that trade. So let me show you Axis Bank also what happened there. So I don't know why the chart is not loading, but yeah, I think the screen is stuck. Yeah, so I hope you all can see my screen. Now, what really happened? I was stoked. We got the news, I think, somewhere around 1:30, 1 o'clock, 12:45, that the bond yields are going up like crazy. We got that news.